Oh man, I was not prepared for this.
All right, what's up guys? Here we're on another hoarding project. Probably I'd say a level 3 hoard. A lot of clothes. There's a lot of cat and urine feces. Cat and urine feces? There's a lot of cat urine. Just a lot of trash and clothes we're going to be sorting through with the client. Luckily, a lot of the furniture can go already. So that's pretty exciting. This place is going to look a lot better fairly quickly. So that's good. So this is Funkway. This is just going to get some of the odor down. Just for us to start, let us work faster.
So fun fact, actually, the person that lives here watches my videos and recognized that she was also a hoarder. She decided that she didn't want to live in clutter anymore, so she reached out to my team asking for help. Simply asking for help is a really brave thing to do.
All right, so we are on the next phase now. We got most of the furniture out in this room. It's mostly trash and some clothes items that we can sort through and throw away the contaminated ones and then keep any non-contaminated ones. Then we'll move on to the next room over there.
I always mention how proud I am of the people I serve because they are making a life-changing decision that will improve their situation for the better.
All right, so we just got done with the majority of this room now. Basically, all the furniture removed. Most of the trash is just gone, but we'll need to go get a vacuum to get this cleared up. And then we're gonna go and do the rest of the unit. But we're gonna go break for lunch first and kill it afterwards, so. All right, so we're back from lunch. We're gonna go and tackle this part of the home now. The smell is already like a lot better in here. I don't even really need a respirator as much, so I'm just gonna spray some more funk away. We'll just clear up the rest of the lingering odor and let us work so much faster. So let's get it. All right, so couch is this big, door frame's only this big. So what we like to do here is just take these little dowels off. Dowels, I don't know, what do you call them? Legs. Like, yeah, probably just take the legs off. Feet, couch feet.
I gotta be honest, guys, we only have 3 days to complete this project because my flight takes off on the 3rd day, so we literally gotta get it done fast. And I'm a little nervous because I may have bitten off a little more than I could chew, but there's only one way to find out, so we just gotta get to work.
All right, so we finally got all the stuff out here cleared off the ground. That way we have direct access to this whole area and we can just start making our way down into the dining room. All right, check this out. We have our first little mice. All right, so we are just finishing up the master bedroom here. As you can tell, we got a lot done. And now we just got the bathroom to finish up. So let's time lapse this. All right, so it's the end of day 3. We're finally done.
Here are all the before and after shots of this project, and I gotta say, when the client came back, they were literally in tears. They said they hadn't seen the house this clean since they moved in. It was so touching to see how happy they were about this transformation, and I'm extremely excited to see them keep up the energy going forward from here.
This is all made possible because of Funkaway, so huge shout out to these guys. They are, oh, I just sprayed myself, that's awesome. But yeah, they just make odor release sprays. They saved our butt on this job because it was really smelly with all that cat urine stuff. And it smells great. But yeah, huge shout out to Funkaway. Thank you guys for sponsoring this video, and make sure to check out their products with the link in bio. So with that, I guess I'll just see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching, guys.